Were you surprised by this? Does this make sense? What were your takeaways?
It makes sense. Delta came out in September and sort of gave investors a heads up that they were expecting pressure from rising fuel costs. Obviously, you can look at what's been happening in the oil market. I don't think this is a surprise as a pinch point, but really the bigger issue was maintenance costs. We've had a variety of supply chain issues just affecting the ability of airlines to take deliveries of their planes, operate their existing fleets, and that is also weighing on Delta profit numbers now. But I think the bigger question for investors is, what does the demand picture look like once we get past that summer peak travel season? And Delta is in a better position than a lot of other U.S. carriers because it does have that robust international business, and it also has more of a premium product, which sort of helps protect it from some of the pressure that we've seen at other carriers like JetBlue and Spirit.
Brooke, on the grapevine, I hear the corporate's not coming back in a meaningful way. What does that mean?
I think that you're right on that. I just was actually listening to the Fastenal earnings call, and they were talking about how they were reining in some of their travel spending. This is a very easy bucket of spend to cut if you are a corporate right now and you are worried about budgets, you're seeing any kind of economic pressure. We've all proven that we can work from home if we have to. And so I just don't know that we're going to see this revival that the airlines have been hoping for. We are seeing people back in offices more, but with the economic pressures that we're seeing, that might sort of counterbalance it. You're also, with the return to offices, you're not getting those sort of extended, blended leisure business trips that the airlines have been talking about for a few years now. And so I do think that that will be a pressure point. And of course, that means that you don't have an offset to weaker leisure travel demand, especially in the U.S.